This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Sportsman Touring 570. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. In the front of the vehicle you will find the headlights, radiator access panel, and the radiator. The front cover can be opened by unhooking the two front latches. Underneath you'll find the fuse panel, battery, radiator access cover, and the toolkit with the following: under the front right side of the vehicle you'll find the coolant overflow bottle and the rear brake master cylinder. Moving to the front suspension you will find sealed struts, tie rod, CV boots and axle, and lower A-arm. The left handlebar will contain the front brake lever, parking brake, headlight switch, engine stop switch, front master brake cylinder, and the reverse override switch, which allows the rider to gain additional speed while in reverse. In the center you'll find the high beam headlight adjustment, spare auxiliary slots, instrument cluster with mode and navigation, 12-volt auxiliary socket, battery charge port, ignition switch, and the fuel cap. Moving to the right handlebar you'll find the driveline switch, which controls all-wheel drive or 2x4, and the throttle lever. On the right side of the vehicle you'll find the gear shifter, rear brake pedal, and the oil dipstick access panel. Underneath the driver's seat is the air filter box, spark plug, and oil fill cap. Behind the driver's seat is the passenger seat and passenger handholds. Behind the passenger seat is a rear storage platform with bucket storage cutouts and storage compartment. In the rear of the vehicle you'll find the taillights, hitch receiver, and exhaust with spark arrestor. The rear suspension contains the shock assembly, sway bar and sway bar link, sealed dual A-arms, and the CV boots and axle. The VIN label is located on the left rear vehicle chassis frame. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.